In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change marker color in DaVinci Resolve. If you use markers to organize your timeline, label important moments, or keep track of edits, changing their color can make your project much easier to read at a glance. Color-coded markers are especially helpful when you want to separate different types of notes, like edits, reminders, sound cues, or review points. The good news is that changing marker colors in DaVinci Resolve is very quick and simple. To get started, go to the marker you want to change. You'll usually see it placed on your timeline, and once you find the correct one, double-click on it. When you do that, the marker settings will open up, and this is where you'll see the available color options. From there, just click on the color you want to use. As soon as you select it, the marker color will update. That's all you need to do to change the color of an existing marker. It only takes a few seconds, but it can really improve how clearly your timeline is organized, especially if you're working on a larger project with multiple markers. You can also choose a marker color before adding a brand new marker, which can save time if you already know how you want to categorize your notes. To do that, look for the small arrow down icon beside the marker option. Click that arrow and you'll be able to select the color you want for the next marker you create. After choosing the color, any new marker you add will use that selected color. This is a useful way to stay consistent while editing, because you don't have to go back and change each marker one by one later. If you're building a workflow around marker colors, setting the color in advance can make the whole process faster and smoother. So to quickly recap, if you want to change the color of an existing marker, just double-click the marker and choose a new color. If you want to set the color for a new marker before placing it, click the arrow down icon beside the marker tool and pick your color there. And that's it. That's how to change marker color in DaVinci Resolve.